Hello, I am so proud of this business law curriculum. I am Denise Lee. I am the creator of this business law course. This is intended for a semester for high school 9 through 12th grade. You can see that it is organized in a lesson library. This lesson library is for the teacher. It is not intended to be sent to the students because there is a lesson library in the white column that for all the lessons that get sent to your learning management system to your students, as well as a teacher's key column, as well as a pacing suggestion. The units that are covered are the law fundamentals and introduction to law. This unit really needs to be the very first unit taught. And then there's employment law, intellectual property, types of law, and then a robust list of case studies as well. This curriculum can really be taught in any order, but I do recommend that the law fundamentals be taught first. You can see that there's also a law lingo vocabulary reinforcement file with a plethora of law vocabulary terms. There is also a career connection, corporate lawyer activity, career connection, law, public safety, and corrections, as well as a great, very creative Business Law Boulevard creative project to incorporate some real world learning as well. Thank you so much for your interest in this course, and feel free to reach me at Denise Lee at business-ed.com.